went through the textbook very thoroughly. Then I went through the videos of Mr. Varun Jain, and Varun Jain gives a overview of the chapter, overview of the topic. Then after getting the overview of the topics, going to the details in the textbook, it helps a lot. Myself, Arnab Das. I am presently located at Kolkata. I did engineering from NIT Calicut, that's in Kerala. Presently, I am working in Mjunction Services Ltd as a senior manager. Mjunction Services Ltd is a Tata group of company. The classes of Varun Jain were really fantastic, and that was worth taking. The videos that he used to upload in the LMS, he used to underline the things, and that would allow someone to go through those in the last hour, 11th hour during the exams. Definitely, I will ask people to join Miles because of the help they get during the journey. And after completing also, they give assistance for the placement and all. So definitely, it's worth money and worth the experience. CMA matlab Miles.